Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how we can share just a sound in Zoom for others. So let's say that I'm going to click on new meeting. And now what you want to do is just look at this. Click here on share screen, but go to advanced and now just choose computer sound only, okay? Don't click anything else and just share it. Right now, if I would play a song from YouTube, if I would play anything important audio, they would hear it too. That's what's really great about the program, and it's quite effective. And this is how we do it. And then you just stop share and you can continue talking or whatever. And then you can just click end meeting and meeting for all, and voila. So this is how we can share sound in Zoom. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to create a day, and goodbye. See ya.